she's eating it. No, wait.
Hold it sideways.
Are you still going?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, everybody, this is a lesson on how to protect your penis. Now, so it doesn't get so long and soggy when you grow up like me. You have to wrap it in protection. You see? Very carefully. Wrap it around. And then it keeps the moisture in. And it keeps it nice and hard. But then when you don't need protection, when you want to be wild, you just go, woo! At last, my wild beast. And this is what you don't want to end up with. This is why you have to keep your protection on. Oops. My